Hello and welcome to my channel How Logical, where we bring you latest tips and tricks to elevate your digital experience. Today we will explore the topic Twitter search so you can find exactly what you're looking for in the app. To do this, let's first open the app. Once the app opens up, on the bottom side of the screen, you can see the search feature as a second option. Tap on it. Once you're inside it, you'll see a search box on the top of the screen where you can search for any people or keywords. Let's say we are searching for someone in the Twitter. For sake of example, I'll be searching Elon Musk. So these are the accounts with the name Elon Musk. The blue ticks are the accounts which are verified by the Twitter. You can also search for particular keywords in the search section. Let's search for a trending topic, Golden Globes 2024. You can click on it and see the search results of Golden Globes 2024. So this is how you use the search feature in Twitter. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more informative contents like this, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.